All right, let me get my ratchet straps out. Oh no. They're in here somewhere. Oh man. Oh my goodness gracious, I hate these things.
Hey, you.
Huh? What was that?
It's you. Well, I guess it's really me.
Me?
Yes, it's you from the future.
You?
Yes, I'm you from the future, and I've come to give you something that's going to change your life.
You've got the winning lottery numbers?
Oh, man, why did I not think of that? That's my bad, man.
Well, that would have been nice.
Well, maybe we'll do that next time. This time I've got something even better than that. In the future, we don't have to mess with those ratchet straps. We have retractable ones.
Oh yeah, that is a lot better.
I'm going to open up a quick wormhole and drop these down from Bunker Industries. Hope you like them.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Wow, I've never had anything from the future. That guy was kind of a jerk, though. Let's go check these out. Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John. We're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And today, guys, apparently we've got a product from the future from Bunker Industries. Guys. We've got their 1-inch retractable ratchet straps, guys, right here to test out. Now, Bunker Industries has all types of products from off-road recovery gear to being able to secure your load. Whatever your off-road needs are, guys, they can fix it up. And so I'm really excited to partner with them to test these out. I really do hate those normal ratchet straps. And that opening was a pretty good indication of what I have to deal with every time. So I'm excited about these. These shouldn't have any more tangles or mess. They should just be ready to go every time. These are 1 inch by 12 foot long. So we should be able to get around just about anything. Let's go. All right, so we've got Bunker Industries retractable ratchet strap. This is a 2-pack, and like I said before, it's 1 inch by 12 foot. And of course, I've got this pile of ratchet straps here. I'd say this is the old style. Now, I say these are from the future because you'd be surprised how many people don't realize these are a thing. So what are some of the features about this? Well, they're heavy duty. They're 1-button retractable. They're durable and rust resistant. The brake strength 1,530 pounds and the working load limit is 510 pounds. They even show you kind of a little diagram of how they work. Pretty neat little box. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got in here. I see so many people fighting with these, myself included, and these are just so much better. So we've got a sweet bag, says Bunker Industries, and we've got, I thought these would be yellow, but they're actually almost like a gold color. They're really cool. They're fancy looking for sure. Oh man, these are actually really nice looking. Not that I doubted Bunker Industry, but they've got this nice black coat of paint on there. I've got kind of, I guess, a little plastic covers to keep from pinching your fingers. And the way they work is you push this button, pull it out, let it go, and it'll stop. And then to pull it back in, just push the button back again. So these are really nice. You can tell there's quite a bit on them just because of the way that this kind of fills up the whole slide. And so I'm really excited about this. Looks like they have a kind of a dual strap here on the back. A lot of these are just a single strap with a loop. And so this is really nice. Let's check this out. This is kind of what I actually expected on the back. These are nice. They've got these little pull parts. That way you can really, once you get on there, make sure that you're actually attached. But of course, the best part is the ratcheting function. So we've got 2 of those here. And then we've got a little, I guess, pamphlet, a little user manual. I think I told you everything you actually probably needed to know. Just in case you're curious, here you go. Very nice indeed. These are super duper nice. Also, I completely missed this. I really like these. These are straps that you would basically wrap around your post or whatever you're trying to strap down. You just feed it through. Now you can put your actual hook on this. And so now you can be attached without actually having to somehow wrap this around, because sometimes it's just not possible. And so now you've got a really nice and secure connection. So it comes with 2 of these. I really like those. All right, so it's actually raining out here a little bit, but I did at least want to show you how easy these are to operate. And so if you are just going to go from one side to another, you can just put that on there, pull this across, loop this around, attach it, and then once you get push the button and it retracts, and let me display that too. So we've got it loose down there. I'll push the button. Look at that, guys. Now just imagine that's on your load. So let's see how good it is at retracting. It's actually got a really good retractable portion to it. Now you can push the button and unlock it, and now you can just do it like you're normally used to, and you can really get a good tight fit with these. Very nice indeed. I said these are good up to 500 pounds a piece. And so in theory, you could secure, with both of them, 1,000 pounds. Of course, you need to be careful on your own with that. And so if we want to release this, just push our button down and we see it releases. Pull yourself a little bit of slack. Now you are ready to take these off. And watch this. I really like the strength of the retractable portion of this. Some of these, you really got to help feed it in. But this is actually really good. In fact, coming back so fast, hit me in the hand. So I really like this. Okay, so let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm actually not sure if I can. So I'm just pulling this back. We will wrap it around. Like I said, if I can do this with one hand, imagine how good you can do it with two. So we got that there. Push our button. Take our slack out. Now we can release it and begin to just crank it down. There we go. Looks good. It's very tight. And you say, why don't you really load something up? Well, it's been raining so much here that I don't really want to pull anything through that swamp back there. But I've got no doubt that these things won't do great. So just push this once again. You'll see it had a bunch of tension on it. Now we are ready to come down here, undo it. Just going to leave it dangling. And now, usually you would throw these in your bag and hope for the best. Let me put you on wide angle. Now, you just push your button and it comes right back to you. How could you not like that? And for example of how to use these straps, we can just wrap around, feed this through. Now you've got a good place for this strap to connect to without having to actually worry about coming disconnected, because we've got it completely surrounded. So this is actually way safer than the way I had it just a second ago, which would be just like this. And now if you hit a bump or something with any strap, you face the possibility of that just coming undone. And so I'm a big fan of these straps, and I'm glad they included them. All right, and that will do it for our review of the Bunker Industries 1-inch by 12-foot retractable ratchet straps. Now, it wasn't a crazy long review, but guys, these things seem very well built, can definitely latch down a load, and I don't think you're going to have any problems with these for the future. And speaking of the future, these things are right from there. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Bunker Industries, for shipping these out to us. I think we'll get a lot of use out of them for several years. And thank you so much. If you want one of these, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget, Jesus loved you so much he died for you, and all honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.